If you're looking for an easy declutter challenge, this one's for you. Join me as I walk you through my easy 28-day declutter challenge. By the end of these 28 days, you feel like you took some action towards decluttering your home. Day 1 is done, and day 2 is all about tackling that dresser. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. If you missed yesterday's introduction, aka day 1, let me catch you up. This easy 28-day declutter challenge is all about bite-sized wins. Each day, you'll tackle a specific task in manageable steps. And guess what? You don't have to follow it in order. Make it work for your life. You can follow along using my free printable checklist, which you can grab by signing up through the link below this video. Before we dive in, remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. It's all about the small, meaningful steps towards a more organized home. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like, and follow along each day on my journey. Today we're focusing on day 2, dressers, my personal favorite. Okay, let's talk about those dresser drawers. Today we're going to empty and evaluate, love it or let it go, and fold like a pro. Step 1, empty and evaluate. Start by pulling everything out. Yes, everything. Lay it all on your bed. This gives you a clear view of what you got and creates a blank slate for your drawers. Step 2, love it or let go. Now, go through each item one by one. Ask yourself, do I still wear this? Does this make me feel good when I wear it? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Create a donate pile for items still in good condition, and a toss pile for anything beyond saving. Step 3, fold like a pro. Once you've decided what stays, it's time to fold and organize. Fold your clothes neatly. Bonus points if you try a space-saving method like a file folding. Place them back into your drawers in a way that feels functional and visually appealing to you. And just like that, you conquered your dresser drawers. Doesn't it feel amazing to open a drawer and see everything in its place? If you tackled your dresser drawers today, let me know in the comments how it went. Don't forget to grab your free checklist so that you can follow along with the rest of this challenge. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's keep this decluttering journey going together. Remember, you got this, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video for day 3.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.